What's going on, good people? It's Emoneyshoes here as we on the 4K grind. I'm responding to the homie JJALLDAY84 with the Black is Beautiful challenge. Shout out to everyone who's doing this challenge. Let me get my challenge out to my 5 people right off the rip. So yeah, I'm calling you out, sis. 313_retro queen. Also the bro PMKICKZ. And let's see here. Gonna call out the homie that been rocking with me for a long time, SNEAKERHOLICBEEZ. Also the little homie SILVERARMYGUY. And last but not least, the bro Duns Kicks. And I will make sure I tag all of you on IG. You feel me? So let's get right into it. Number 5, shoe that nobody probably likes. This is the Jordan 2011 thing. This is one where you can swap the soles. As you can see, you got the different soles in the shoe right here. And I gotta clean them up because they're supposed to be patent leather, but it's a little bit dull. You gotta shine them up real nice. You just been sitting in the box. As you can see, once you shine it up, it's all nice glossy gloss. Very dope shoe. Choose your flight. It came with the bag, all of that nice stuff. I really wanted this shoe and had to have it. You can see you got the Jumpman on the back, all of that good stuff. Right now I currently have the red inside. Next, moving right along, you already know I had to put a 4 in here because I love my 4. So next up, 4 for 4, the Levi 4s. Levi box, got that little hole we come here called Puka. These jokers was for they got 250 on there, but that's in what's his name. These were purchased from Foot Patrol. You see inside there, got the code inside. I only wore these once, I think. You see the gum bottom. Levi 4s. Very dope shoe. I still need the white ones and the blue ones, because the other blue ones I had, I got hit across the head, but that's neither here nor there. You live and you learn. We're not perfect, so hey, it is what it is. I just know a little bit. I don't know everything. So that's number 4. 4 for 4. Moving right along. Sis, you're gonna love these. Shout out to the people who love 3M. I love these joints when they came out. The 97, the black on black with the 3M popping around now. And then you got the gold right here inside the air unit. These are very dope. Only wore these joints a couple of times, but I think this fit the narrative of the black is beautiful. All black shoe. Number 2. Now, what is a Black is Beautiful challenge without a Jordan 11? The question is, what Jordan 11? So, let's check it out. The Cap and Gown 11. Nobody, or a lot of people didn't show this shoe no love. This shoe was suggested retail price $250, size 10. And what's this? I think this was the last time we had this type of box, if I ain't mistaken. I think they started changing it after that. I love the slide out box. I love this box. The slide out. Then you had all this stuff, just the presentation. Jordan brand, work with us here. Work with us here. Just a dope pair of kicks. Just a dope pair of kicks. Even I gotta shine these up too. I wore these a couple times. So you got your carbon fiber on the bottom. The laces represent that tassel for cap and gown. Just a dope shoe. Very, very dope. Glad a lot of people was sleeping. Still got my receipt in there. About to fade. Found them from Foot Locker, but hey, it is a okay. So that is number 2 on my Black is Beautiful challenge. If I could just get this in there, I'll be okay. I'm about to just throw it to the side because time is tissue. Did I just say that? Time is tissue. Okay, whatever. Time is money. I don't know why I couldn't put time is tissue, but you get my drill. Right? Right. Ooh. Sorry. Box sliding in. No, I didn't pass gas or break wind. And last but not least, drum roll please. You see this box that I hate with a passion. Gosh, I hate with a passion. They should have did this a lot better. Gold box, size 10.5, Fisher colorway, Air Jordan 17 retro trophy room. Nope, that is not the shoe that I wanted to show. What is going on? Break. Alright, I'm back. I think. Alright. This is the box. Still the same boring box, but not the same boring shoe. Air Jordan XX3 trophy room. Suggested retail price $275. And voila, number 1, numero uno. Definitely not a basketball shoe. This is a casual shoe. I can't imagine balling in this shoe. And it's just dope. Look at that. You got Air on this one. And then you got Jordan on this one. And inside you got the gold cushion. This is dope with the trophy room. You got that. And this is number 507 out of 5,000. I don't know if you can see that. There you go. Can you see it? 507 out of 5,000. That was made. And then here you got your Jordan. The things there. I just love this shoe. Look at that. Now all I need one day when I get around to it is get the white joint, which is even more limited. I think that's only with 1,000 or 500 made, something like that. So there you have it. My Black is Beautiful challenge. So with that being said, like I said, I'm challenging you 313 Retro Queen, and you PMKICKZ, and you SNEAKERHOLICBEEZ, and you SilverArmyGuy, and last but not least, Don's Kicks. So hit that thumb up, like, subscribe. We on our way to 4K. You feel me? It's Emoneyshoes, and I'm out. Peace.